Everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make these super cute like crochet headbands. This is on the 2.5 inch headbands, 1.5 inch headbands and an inch headband, and today we're going to be using the like 20mm inch headband because it takes slightly less. But what I'm going to do is going to put all the information for like the meterage per headband in the description below, because if I try and talk about it I get my words muddled a little bit because it's like a really strange word. It's basically t-shirt yard, but they couldn't call it spaghetti something, and like I said, it's just too much of a mouthful for me, so I get all befuddled in my cat-like way. So what I've also done is I've got my thread here, or my yarn, and I've got a pre-wrapped headband. So I've wrapped mine in ribbon that matches as close as I could to the colour of the yarn, whereas normally they would look like this, like your white or your black versions. You can get clear versions as well. I like the finish of the ones with ribbon underneath because you can't see any gaps, whereas you can see a tiny bit if you don't put anything underneath. You can't see much, it's not really a big concern, and they're really comfortable on the back look. But like I said, I just like the ribbon just to give it, like I said, a slightly more professional look. So they're over there. Like I said, I won't show you how to wrap a headband because it's really simple. Just take your ribbon, wrap it round, stick your ends down. Really simple. Just make sure you go edge to edge and you don't overlap. If you really want a tutorial on that, then ask me in the comments and I will sort it out for you. You will need a crochet hook, about a 6mm one. You can pick them up really cheap from pound stores though, or I got a set of 12 different sizes from Amazon for £5. So with your thread, your yarn, sorry, which is this, your spaghetti yarn, spaghetti t-shirt yarn, you start with it in half, and I use a little clip to start me off. You don't need this yet either at the moment. So with your curve facing away from you, directly as your meterage is in half, and like I said, I'll tell you in the description exactly how much you need, with your clip that right on the centre of the end of your headband, so you get this look. Okay, so you've got even amounts both sides, and you want it so your spaghetti yarn, t-shirt yarn, like you know on your headbands, so on your nylon headbands you get the inner bit and the outer side. You want it facing so it's the inner side like this, and the same on both sides. And then the first one you do, whichever is your dominant hand, you do a loop round so you can see the inner bit there, and then the flat bit is facing against the headband. And then you take this and you want to turn that down, okay, and make sure that goes over that side and down the edge of the headband, and then you bring it under and round and through the loop. And this bit, the extra bits for a bit, will sort of irritate you a little bit, but don't get overly concerned with them. So obviously the loop was that side when we started, so now we do the loop from the opposite side. So again, that spaghetti inner bit, that side, the flat side against your headband. As you can see, the outside's up there, so you twist that down the edge of the headband, make sure it's over your loop, bring that round and behind and through the loop the other side. Okay, and then again you pull that really tight right against the headband like that. Once you've got your first 2 loops in, you can take your clip off, and what I do is I wiggle it down so it's closer to the end, so I know where I started. And then as you can see, you've got your t-shirt start in a bit that side, so we know we're starting the loop this side. Turn it over, make sure it's on top of that one that's going over, and then behind and through. Pull it across, do it tight. Now we're going to start the loop the opposite side, and like I said, there's the inner bit, that's flat against the headband. Hold it with your thumb, twist this over, and you want to make sure that's always over that one that's going over the headband, and then round and through. Pull it tight. If you've got any gaps or anything, push it up a little bit, and then obviously opposite side. Loop, turn over, down the side of the headband and over that one, under the headband and through. Pull all your bits through and tighten really tight. Okay, loop the other side, loop round, hold it with your thumb, flip that over so the spaghetti side is hidden, down the edge of the headband, over that one that we're holding, round the headband, through the hoop that side. If you get that showing that way, just flip it over before you tighten it, like that, and tighten. And again, now your loop is the opposite side, loop round, twist that down, over, so like I said, it's over that one that you're holding, round the headband, through the loop, and you just repeat this for the whole headband until you get to the very end. Now I'm not going to film it for you because it takes like 15-20 minutes depending on how fast you are, so I'm going to pause it and I'm going to come back when we get to the end so you're not watching me for like 40 minutes. Hi everyone, so we've got to this bit and we've got these last bits here, so we've done it all the way down. There we go, and we're not going to do this bit. All I'm going to do is take these behind, so not the first rug, but you want to get your hook under this second layer, so under that hook there, can you see? It's not that first one, the second one. Take one from this side, hook it under your hook, and then hold it as you twist it under and down. Move that to the side, and then you want to do exactly the same to this one. You want to go under that second one, take that one from that side, twist it round and under, and then you want to get your hook underneath the second rug from that one that we've just done. Get your hook under, hook this side down, like so, back under for your other side, hook it, twist it under, and then what I do with the last one is pull it up a little bit. So what you can do is where the t-shirt bit opens out, you can use that bit. There you go. You can pull it open and use it to cover there, and then you pull on your sides where you've got your here, and that tightens it, and then you can just sort of squish the rest of your ladders up so it hides that gap, and then when you're happy you can take some E6000, you can pop that at the end to hold that in place. move these up a little bit. Just adjusting it so it's finished nicely. There we go. And then with the extra, if you can manage, you can tuck it another layer. If not, you cut your excess like that. Tuck them up into the layer that you can manage. And again, with the E6000, just go in between, put a little bit of glue there, and then get a clip and use that to hold, well, or a couple of clips if you want, to hold that in place while it sets. I'm just gonna adjust that side a little bit, that's better. So just across there. There's my lid. Don't want that leaking all over my desk. And there you go. So you've got your nicely finished crochet headband. And like I said, the trickiest bit is literally the finished pieces. And like I said, the further down you can hide it, the better off you will be. But like I said, they're really comfortable on the head and they're really cute and different. Thanks for watching. Bye.